Hey everyone, today I've got an exciting video for you. Recently, a smart AI appeared, which began to gain popularity, and I used it to create a bot. And I'm going to show you how to create and run an Ethereum sniping bot using the new AI-powered DeepSeek chat. And guess what? It's already earning me a daily passive income consistently. This sniping bot monitors the blockchain for new tokens and significant price changes. So when it detects an opportunity, it acts swiftly, buying or selling tokens before most traders even notice. So this gives us a significant advantage to profit from these price differences. The bot's secret is its ability to identify tokens as they're listed or during sudden price movements. Using smart algorithms to make trades for you. So you can sit back and watch the passive income. That's not too complicated. And don't worry, it's actually pretty easy and you don't need to know any coding, just watch my video guide. Alright, let's dive in. After my second prompt, I asked to write the code for a smart contract on Ethereum to automatically hunt for sniping opportunities to earn Ethereum. Also, it works with all network ERC20. There you go. DeepSeek is writing the code, and I bet it's better than any human could come up with. This platform is utilized for creating Solidity language-based smart contracts, avoid scam remix URLs, and use only the original Remix IDE website, remix.ethereum.org. It will not let you proceed with suspicious transactions. Next, head over to Remix, a Web3 application that allows us to develop, compile, deploy, and launch smart contracts written in Solidity. I'll put a link to Remix in the description below. Ensure you have MetaMask browser extension installed and are connected to the Ethereum mainnet. Also, this bot works with Coinbase and Trust Wallet. If it's your first time on Remix, you might need to agree to their terms. I've already done that. So go to the sidebar on the left and create a new contract under the contracts folder. We'll name it bot.sol. Copy the code from DeepSeek and paste it into the bot.sol file. This is our sniping trading bot. I'll also place this code in the description so you can copy it. So when our bot file is ready, let's compile it. Click here. Choose the version 0.8 version of Solidity. Click compile. Make sure the language is set to Solidity and the EVM version to default. Next, we will deploy this to our wallet. So go to Deploy and Run Transactions tab in Remix. Select the injected Web3 environment. We need to confirm the contract on the blockchain by paying gas fees. Gas fees are the commission on the Ethereum network for smart contract deployment. So now the deployment is ready to go. Click deploy. I always set the gas fee to high. It usually doesn't make much difference and processes the transaction faster. Now we can wait for the transaction to confirm. Great, it's confirmed. Our smart contract is deployed. Let's move on to the functions of our bot. Start native launches a bot to work with your balance. Stop, you stop the work of the bot. To start it back, press the Start Native button again. The Withdraw button forces the balance of the bot to send you to the entire amount to your MetaMask wallet. It is better not to touch the other buttons because they're already configured and do not affect our bot. With the smart contract deployed, fund it with some Ethereum for trading. Make sure you have the correct address. Top up it with 1 to 2 ETH or an amount close to it. But remember, the more you invest, the larger the trades and potential profits. If you use less than a half or 1 Ethereum, you'll most likely lose your funds because it's usually very difficult to get profit from such an amount. This amount was determined through trial and error and is sufficient for a stable operation. If you use a much smaller amount, be prepared that your funds will burn up on commissions. For example, if someone creates a transaction for $500 with 10% slippage and you want to front run it, it's going to cost you two prices of current gas for swap. Sandwich swap equals two swaps for buy and sell. It's about $80, and the maximum you can get is 10% of 450. It's $45. So let's calculate it. 45 minus 80 in the final, it'll bring you a loss of around $30. But on the other side, a transaction for $5,000 with a 10% slippage and $80 gas fees, your total profit will be $450 minus 80, which is around 370, resulting in a net profit. Excellent. The transaction confirms that the funds were sent to the contract. You can verify by checking your contract address on Etherscan, ensuring our Ethereum is in the contract. Nice. It shows one Ethereum, the amount we funded the contract with. The last step is to click Start, which will enable the bot to start scanning the mempool for different liquidity pairs to sandwich transactions. All right, set the gas speed to high, save, and click confirm. All right, it's been a little over 12 hours. Let's check the bot's profits. So I have about 1.31 Ethereum, 31% profit already. I'll let the bot run for another 12 hours and then withdraw the profit. Let's see the updated profits. Nice. It's a little over 1.6 Ethereum. So it took me a day to gain over half of my deposit back. That's pretty impressive. The bot will keep running until you click the withdraw button. When you click withdraw, the bot will stop trading and return the initial Ethereum plus profit to your wallet. So let's click it. This will charge a small gas fee. I'll set it to high again and click confirm. Done. That transaction is confirmed. Let's check MetaMask. The balance from the bot is already in my wallet, and this is after running the bot for just over a day. Unreal. I've even had weeks where I've made 3 to 6 Ethereum, sometimes more. The profits will vary week to week. Share your profits in the comments below. If you run into errors after deploying the contract, don't panic. I've got you covered. The most common issue is when Remix can't calculate the transaction fee. This usually happens if you wait more than 10 minutes after deploying, causing Remix to lose connection with the bot code. To fix this, you'll need to reconnect to the contract or create a new one. Here's how. First, refresh the page. Click on the bot file, in my case, bot.sol, and go to the Solidity Compiler tab. Enable optimization and click compile. Then, head to the deploy and run transactions section. Go to the address of your smart contract in the other scan tab. Select injected provider MetaMask and paste your contract's address into the Add Address tab. Finally, click on it, and you'll regain access to the bot control menu. Follow the steps from there, and you should be good to go. If you're still having gas-related issues, try moving faster or reach out via Telegram. All the links are in the description, and I'm happy to help with any questions. All right, so thanks for tuning in. I hope this video gave you some valuable insights and taught you something new. If you're into decentralized finance and Web3, consider subscribing for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace out.